Good morning. It's race day. Today we are going to be running the 2020 Chinatown Firecracker Festival for the Lunar New Year celebration. This is the year of the rat. We ain't got no rats in my crew, but you know, year of the rat, whatever. Anyways, it's about 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm finna go wake up my crew. We're gonna take the train and we're gonna go down to the start line, get our bibs, and see if we can outrun. You know what I mean? Today, I'm gonna be wearing some of my favorites, my Nike Zooms, my little Go Fasters. That's what we're gonna do today. So, anyways, I'm gonna go wake these guys up and more to come. Race day ready. Got my shoes, my shirt, my socks, my music, my glasses, my breathe right strips. Can't go without those. My calf tights, my regular tights, my shirt, my pants, my bib holders, and of course our registration information. That's race day ready. I asked my son Tim, are you race day ready? He had a pair of sweatpants. Yeah, Dad, I'm ready. I guess he's a minimalist. It's race day. It's race day, Papa. Are you ready for race day? You sound so ready. Your breath doesn't smell ready. Happy race day, Papa.
Happy race day.
I love you. Good morning, Ben. What you eating?
Peanut butter waffle.
That race day nutrition? Yeah, how'd you sleep last night?
Good.
You ready for this 5K? You look so ready. Can't wait to see how good you're gonna do. I love you, man.
Love you too, Dad.
Alright, we on our way to a Starbucks right now because Dad needs some coffee.
Yeah, I gotta have my coffee, man. Come on.
And then we're gonna make our way to the train station. We're gonna take the train.
It's the first time we ever took a train to a race. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. We get a free bag check though.
Yes.
Usually we put things in the truck, but this time we're gonna do a little bit check our bags.
I ain't trying to park in Chinatown.
Yeah. It's gonna be cool.
What is this? What is this? This is our... How many have we done so far this year?
I think this is my third or
I think it's your
third.
fourth.
Is it my
It's your
fourth?
fourth.
So
Yeah.
me and you, it's our fourth.
It's your fourth.
It's our
fifth.
fourth? Okay. And Dad's fifth. Nice. That's cool.
Can't wait. Year of the Rat, Lunar New Year celebration. It's gonna be a good run.
Yeah, it is. Cool.
So we are on the train. You ready to take a nap on the train? Nice. You're gonna do great today, kid.
Thanks, Dad.
All right. How you doing, boy?
I'm alright.
Good. Yeah.
Tired.
It's all right. It's gonna be fun. All right, Ben, we're in Chinatown. You ready? Ready for the race? Me too, man. How about you, Tim? You ready? I'm cold. I know, me too. There's a lot of people down here, though.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
This is gonna be a fun race. All right, Ben, let's go get your bib, dude. All right, get my boys to the start line for that 5K. On our way, got our bibs. Let's do it. Timmy, you ready, boy?
Yeah?
All right, ready to outrun your dad?
Yeah.
What about Ben? Ben, you ready, man?
Dad,
Let me see you, Ben. Oh, number 1420. Brother, you got number 1421. Nice. Dad's rocking 5019.
Dad's way older than all of us.
Give me 5. He's going
I
down.
can see me in your glasses and me in your glasses.
It's a great sight, isn't it, Papa?
That's weird. Timmy, come see.
Go Timmy, go Ben. All right, my boys are off today 5K. I'll watch them leave, and I'm gonna get ready for my 10. Go boys! There they go. Sam. All right, right about 34 minutes. The boys should be coming in any minute. Looking for my guys. I think they should be here at about 36 to 38 minutes. Yeah, they fast.
Clydesdales or like Santa Anita.
All right, we are ready.
Did you want to do the honor?
I'm gonna do the honors. Here we go, guys. The excitement.
Come here.
10, 9.
Here's my
8,
boys. Yeah! Good job, guys. Nice.
What was my time?
Good job.
What was my time?
Times 48 minutes. Really strong 10K finishes coming through. You guys rock. Welcome back.
Good job, Dad. Thank you. Good job. All right, boys.
Go, Ben.
How'd you do, Ben?
I did good. I feel like I did good.
You felt good about this 10K?
Uh-huh.
I heard that you kicked some ass,
10K.
dude. 5K for you, 10K for me. What about you, Timmy? How'd you do?
I did all right. Could have done better. Ben definitely outran me.
Today was your day,
You
bud.
did great.
I did decent. Did okay. I could have done better. That was the toughest 10K I ever did. What do you guys say? How about toughness on this one? Was it hard?
I think that was probably the hardest race I've done too.
Lots of hills, huh?
Lots of hills.
I liked it because it was hard.
You liked it because it was hard. That's
It
right.
makes
was
me
really
push
cool, though.
myself harder.
Attaboy.
It
Good
was
job.
a good, the scenery was good. Got to run past Dodger Stadium.
Heck yeah, that was awesome.
Just the whole way. Up
Lots
and
of
down,
dogs,
up and
huh?
down. Lots of dogs
Lots
too,
of dogs.
yeah.
Cool
It
run.
was really cool.
All right, man. You guys did great. We'll see you on the train.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Ben, now that we're home, what did you think about the 2020 Lunar New Year celebration, Year of the Rat Chinatown Festival?
That's a long word.
That's a long name, right?
I really liked it. I pushed myself hard and I really liked it.
You really liked it? What'd you like about it the most?
Probably the uphills because it made me learn to push myself harder.
Nice. You felt really good on this run, huh?
Really good.
I could tell. I could really tell. Good job, dude. I'm proud of you. You proud of yourself?
I'm really proud of myself.
Now this is your how many 5Ks have you done this year? Just this year?
4.
4, dude. How many more do we have to go?
16.
Nice. We got this. All right, Tim. We're home now.
Yep.
How'd you feel about the Lunar New Year celebration 5K?
It was tough.
It was, huh?
Very hilly. Very up and down. Could have done better to prepare. Could have drank more water. I was very dehydrated. And my asthma was kicking my butt, so next time I know I'll have to have my inhaler. Other than that, I'm really proud of Ben. Ben did a great job. Ben pushed me.
Nice.
Ben pushed me instead of the other way around, so Ben definitely outran me.
Good job,
So,
Ben.
Yeah. It was a really fun race. I liked the scenery. It was really cool. Tough, but it was good.
You want to do it next year?
Yeah, I'm down. I'm
Awesome.
down to do it.
All right, so that's it. We did the Chinatown Lunar New Year Festival. We took the train to the race. That was a different experience. We took the train home. That was a different experience. The boys did really well. Today was Ben's day. He knocked it out. He knocked it out. He did great. Pushed himself really hard. Proud of that dude. Proud of my guys. Proud of my little race team. We did a lot of good things today. So 2020, 20 and 2020. So we're getting there. We're getting there. 5 for me, 4 for Timmy, 4 for Ben. Yeah, we on our way. Outrun.